Today I've got a recipe for you which is not just cooling, it's warm and comforting, will make you feel like home, and it will keep you packed full with protein. We're making Dahi Chole today. Let's see how it's done. I'm going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of ghee in a hot pan. Once the ghee heats up, I'm going to add 1 cardamom and few peppercorns. I want the masalas to have a cooling effect this time because of summer. Next, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of Fennel Seeds, followed by half a teaspoon of jeera. Once it starts spluttering, I'm going to switch off the flame and add in 1/4 cup of beaten dahi. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and few masalas, 1 tablespoon of Coriander Seed Powder, 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 slit green chilli. I'm going to mix this properly. I'm going to switch on the flame and start cooking the dahi. Once that happens, I'm going to switch off the flame once again and then add in some sliced onions along with a little bit of kasuri methi and 8 to 9 cashews. Then we're going to switch on the flame and cook this till the onions soften. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt. As soon as you do that, the onions will release their moisture and become nice and soft. The onions have started to soften. Now I'm going to add a splash of water. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check. As you can see, most of the liquid has evaporated and it smells so good right now. Now to this, I'm going to add in some coriander leaves. A handful should be good. Along with this, I'm adding in tomato puree, around 1/4 cup. Now it's time to add in our main hero, which are the chickpeas. You can use boiled chickpeas or you can also use canned chickpeas. I have soaked the chickpeas overnight and I have boiled them for about 6 whistles with a little bit of salt and turmeric. So that I'm going to add to our pot now. Just using my spatula, I'm just going to mash it down on the corner. I'm going to add in a little bit of water and again we are going to bring this to a boil. After smashing the chickpeas, they are going to thicken all of this water and turn this into a beautiful gravy. It's been about 3 minutes, the curry has been boiling. Let's have a look at it. It looks amazing, super creamy and smells even better. Now let's serve this on a bed of rice. This recipe comes together very quickly if you have your chickpeas boiled and ready. So definitely give this delicious and refreshing recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.